The summer news today, we're going to do a simple candle spell. Now, the first thing you want to do is have a cleansed dish. This is cleansed with salt and also incense. If you would like to, you can cleanse it however you see fit, but that's how I cleanse this. The next thing you're going to need is a petition paper. If you would like to, you can stain this with either coffee, or you can add a combination of the herbs we're about to mention into some water, and then you can stain it that way. These are the runes that we're going to be using for this spell. The top one is for creativity and the bottom one is for change. If you would like to, you can also wrap this around the candle with a bit of twine. That will be good for binding intentions towards you, but we're just going to be doing it this way. Next thing you're going to need is an orange candle. This is good for energy and creativity. If you do not have orange or you want to use a different color, you can also use white. That's a good substitute for any intentions that you would like to add to a candle. The first ingredient we're going to add is rosemary. This is good for mental clarity and energy. And we're going to add this in a clockwise motion because we want to draw these energies towards us. Next, we're going to use cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for motivation and also increasing your success in any of the creative endeavors that you want to do. Next, we are going to add thyme. This is good for any sort of strength and also strengthening your intentions whenever you're doing any sort of spell. And we are going to light this candle with a green lighter. Green is good for growth and any sort of new accomplishments that you would like to pursue. This is also going to be good for the creativity. That is how you do a very basic energy and motivation spell. Do this if you lack motivation to achieve a certain outcome, or if you would like a boost in your energy and motivation for a new project that you're working on.